Now, if I come over and look at CL this morning, this was coming rather deep yesterday and has sort of given some concern over the large account. We need to either hold above the low we've just seen, or at the very least, if we get another small swing down at 67.94, below that and take out 66.86, this pattern's broken, and broken to the point where this 3 is probably in over here. Although there are alternatives, we would need to watch for a full 5 down in that case, retrace back and see what happens after that. But it would make life trickier if we were to take out the fibs below us in CL. Meanwhile, coming down to the 15-minute chart, it's started its journey back up. And I've got a 1 as a diagonal to here, 2 back. I'm monitoring the fibs up on the day trading chart, looking for a full 5 up, 3 back, and then we can take a swing long entry in CL, hopefully today looking at this. But for now, off the low, we've come up to just shy of the 161 extension. This needs to hold between the blue line here that we took out this morning and 69.19. Again, for those of you that are paying attention to the early morning charts that I post, one of the reasons for posting them so early is more often than not, particularly for those of you in the UK and Europe, it offers you an early morning day trade between about 9 AM and 11 AM UK time. There you were today. There's your trade. You could either have taken profits at the blue line, but once we came back up above it, excuse me, let me just clean that up. Up above it, retested below, and up we've gone again. So I want to see this blue line, or preferably the 1.0 extension at 69.19 hold, and give us 1 or 2 possibly more highs. That would give us a full 5 up off the low that was seen yesterday in CL. Now, Natty Gas, it's taken out some of the shorter term supports or the higher level supports, but off the B wave, 5 down as an leading diagonal, sorry, A, B, C back, right into that 887 fib, retrace, and now we're starting to come down. This is the level, basically the red lines on the charts are where we need to go, okay? And you can look how well they tie up with the fibs. I'm looking for the 123.6 fib next to 3.061, a small bounce, then the 1618 at 29.79. And again, that would bring us down to the red line, up to broken support, and so on and so forth, is what I'm looking for in NG next. I do not want to see at any point 33.41 taken out if this pattern's correct now. If it does get taken out, I think it's the count that Brian outlined last week that I keep copying into the morning posts would be the correct one. So that's where I'm at with NG this morning.